Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the object and the curve ready. Select the object, then Shift+click the curve. Make sure transforms are applied so animation values are predictable. You want the object's origin positioned sensibly. You set origin or snap the 3D cursor and move the origin. Once done, switch to Object Properties, confirm units and frame rate. This keeps motion timing consistent. Make the curve visible and named clearly so you can pick it when adding constraints, and then move to the next step. Now you bind the object to the curve. With the object selected, add a follow path constraint or, for a deforming mesh, use a curve modifier and parent to the path. You then animate the evaluation time or offset factor by inserting keyframes at your start and end frames. This controls speed. Make sure forward and up axes match your model orientation. Enable follow curve so the object rotates with the path, and scrub the timeline to preview motion. Refine easing in the graph editor. To finish, refine timing and stability. Open the graph editor to smooth speed with Bezier handles or add modifiers for repeated motion. You can bake the motion to keyframes for export or simulation stability. Make sure the curve resolution and object scale are correct to avoid jitter. If the object flips or lags, check the curve direction and recalculate or toggle follow curve, then clear and reapply the constraint influence. Finally, test playback and render a short preview to confirm the motion path behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.